Have you seen these 7 wonders of Bharat? I am sure people who made the list of 7 wonders of the world did not visit India. Bharat is the land of temples and known for many beautiful temples across the country. But these 7 temples are considered as the wonders of Bharat. One must visit these temples at least once in this life. Padmanabha Temple, the world's richest temple. Its Rajagopuram is constructed in such a way that only on the equinox day does the sun passes through all its Gopura windows. Brihadishwara Temple, the architectural wonder of the Chola dynasty. It is in Tanjore and has no rival in the world. Tunganath Temple, the world's highest temple of Lord Shiva. It is situated in Uttarakhand and one of the Panchakedars. Hanging Pillar Temple, world's only hanging mandapa. The pillars of this mandapam in Karnataka are hanging in the air even today. Monsoon Temple, the world's only rain predicting temple. This Jagannath temple in Kanpur can predict the arrival of monsoon in the country even today. Sri Rangam Temple, the world's biggest functioning temple. The temple is spread across 156 acres and takes almost 20 days to see it completely. Jagannath Temple, the world's most mysterious temple. The kitchen of this temple can feed 1 lakh people in just one cooking. No man on this earth knows everything about this temple. Musical Pillars Hampi, the world's most sophisticated stone pillars. Every pillar produces a different musical note, although made from the same stone. If you liked these 7 wonders, share them with your friends.